Hi, welcome to JETBREED Advanced All-in-One School Management Portal. So today we're going to be talking about the dashboard, just a quick review or overview of what the features of this portal are all about. Okay, so let's start by just looking at the overview here. You can see this, all of this place. This is just show that the portal is active. Over here we can see that this is showing that we are online. Okay, and the portal is active. Okay, we can see the quicker distribution, population distribution or statistics of students. All students, currently we have just 4. All staff, we have just 4. All guardian, we have just 1. So as many as they can be, in their thousands, their millions, all the population distribution will be showing here. Okay, so let's go down a little bit. So from here, this is also a link. As admin, of course, you can see that I'm logged in as a super admin. Okay, so this is all students, all staff. I can from here open to the table for these all students, or the place to search all students by classes. Okay, so you can see that moving down, this is still population distribution. For now, we only have 1 support admin. We have just 3 admins, and then of course, going down, you can see distribution in their classes. So as many as they are, they will be distributed here for you. So it's an easy way for any admin of the school to quickly know the population distribution of the school in all ramification, in all their categories. Okay, so quickly over here we can see the sidebar. Okay, you can search a student quickly from here by putting a reg number and hitting enter or hitting on the search. You could search any student from here. We wouldn't go into that. It will be a feature we'll discuss in the next episode. So we'll just go through all of this not one by one now, but we're just going to show us all the features just by pointing at them on this sidebar. Then in our next episodes, we'll go deep into each and every one of them. Okay, so you can see we have extra mode. This extra mode is for extracurricular CBTs, okay, like your JAMB, like your WAEC, and even your entrance exams. You can set them here. Okay, you can just see that this is for admin, so we can set up a CBT, we can publish a CBT, we can check performances of students, we can publish this CBT. Okay, this is for the school model, meaning that all your subjects from playgroup to your SS3, all the subjects are covered. Okay, you'll enjoy this by the time we begin to explore it, all of them, because it is already a fully integrated feature. Okay, so you do the same setup for all of these subjects. Okay, it has a first term, second term, third term, and even final term. Okay, some schools like running also what we call the final term, and there's a third term, big term. Okay, and so this is also good for them, and all the subjects are integrated in all of these 4 terms. So in case that is what you love to do. Okay, you can neglect the other final term if you only run 3 terms. So, but most importantly, all the subjects are covered. Every single subjects are covered for you. So it means that if you really want an ICT inclined school, a school that focuses on ICT, that means that most of your exams should be done on CBT. Right, schools integrating with us now, they do all their objective exams are written on CBT for all the classes and for all the subjects. You'll enjoy this. Okay, this one, let's go to the next one and be quick about this. Personal profile update. You can see that you can update your profile from here. Okay, and create new user. You can actually create new user over here. This is create new user, create new staff, create new guardian. Okay, and this is message request. So on your website, because we do give you a free website, so on your website people can actually send you message. This is where you see all of that message. When you click on this link, it takes you to the page where you see all of that message and respond to them. All the required details like name, phone number, email, details of the message they want to send you will be seen here by the admin. So you can have multiple admins in your school that helps you to check on this thing. This admission form, there's an admission form also on your website, the website that will give you for free if you integrate with us. And this admission form also captured all the details that you would like to get from any applicants on your website. Okay, we'll search all user. This is a lovely feature and it is very, very advanced. So yeah, here you have the students by classes. You can search students by classes. You can search staffs by their roles. You can search guardians by also their roles. Okay, you can also search students in their population by just typing in any unique figure into the table. I will show you this in the next episodes. Very nice, very quick, very advanced processing, data processing system that you'll enjoy using for targeting any user, searching out any user on this very database, on this very portal. You'll enjoy it. Okay, so and you can mark attendance with this. You can mark attendance for all the subjects and for all the classes. You can mark attendance for all the subjects and for all the classes for nursery, primary, junior, secondary. You can do student guardian matching. You have to match the students and the guardian together in this very, so that when parents log into the system, they quickly see their words on their very profile on the dashboard and be able to check into their children's or words profile as well and see what's going on. Okay, parents can also view. You remember that this is admin dashboard. This is actually admin dashboard. We still have when I log in as a student, what I'll be seeing is student dashboard. When I log in as a parent, what I'll be seeing is parents dashboard. You know, when I log in as a staff, what I was seeing is dashboard. That is the way it works. So, but I'm using this admin dashboard so that we can have a quicker overview of what the portal covers. All right. So next is the promotion, next class enrollment. So we can promote or demote students from here by pushing to them. That you'll enjoy this. Let me not click the link now. I will do that in the next episode. So you can be fast to quickly highlight all of the details of the features of this portal. Now we have the assigned student subjects. You can assign a subject easily. So you can see that this is a deprecated feature. We've been using this and we found out that it's a little bit slower. Okay, then we deprecate. It still works fine. It still works fine. But we have this other one over here. You can see these two links here. So assigned students subject. You could see all of that. So this one is a lot quicker. You can go straight to the class and do the assignment. The assignment is very flexible and very easy. Okay, so quickly, this is post information or assignments. Students can post assignments to their teachers. Okay, and teachers can post their done assignment to teachers, and teachers can post assignments to students, and even information can be posted to teachers by other teachers. All right, in their very category. We'll get to this and I'll show you. This is also a way to integrate e-learning quickly. Okay, I will show you that because e-learning is also works very fine here. The links of Zoom, the links of Google Meet can be well established in this portal and be used effectively for training and teaching. Okay, because all the users of the application, all the school personnel, all the school population have their places in this application. So, and the next is check assignments. To parent staffs can actually log in to check assignments of their words. You can record assessment. Okay, it's a nice feature too. You can record assessments for all of your students. You can record assessment for all of your students, for all of the subjects of all the classes, from nursery to secondary, senior secondary. That's a lovely one. The scoreboard also for a general view of all the subjects per class, okay, and the totals of all the subjects. It's a lovely feature, so you can easily know which students is doing well in the particular subjects with all of this in all their various class categories, particularly on subjects. Okay, and here we can see the remarks on psychomotor. This is where you tick this. So whatever you're ticking here will be showing on the, of course, like on the record assessments, on the scoreboard, on the remarks and the psychomotor. Now all of what you click here will appear on the result sheet when it's printed. So, and the next one is school info publisher. So this means that you would have to, this is where you set up all the info that the school needs, okay, and it will be published and on this result sheet. This is the PTA dates, school fees and resumption dates and all of that, and they probably the session that is invoked, the result publishing dates and all of that. So this is where all of that goes. And then process students' results. You can process students' results from here. For the admins, you can process individually by student ID. You can process class by class. Okay, now this is not the place, you can do this from here, and also the external users such as the parents or the students can equally download their results, their result sheets from the website, okay, using PIN, because there is PIN application here. So but if anybody comes to the school, let's say they do not know how to use the internet, or they do not want to go through that process, they just want to get their result sheets and they have cleared all their debts, they can come to the school and you follow through here and print out their very results for them. Okay, so previous assessment, you can continue to check previous assessments. You know that a term or a session has finished does not mean that you may not be able to see everything, you know, because we have record assessment. Remember, we have record assessments over here, record assessments. So you know, when another session is created, this record assessment will be showing the current session. All right, the current session, the current term in a session, and the previous terms will not be seen. But no, you can still see them. You can just come over here in the previous assessments and be able to see all the terms in the previous session as far back as you want to see. All you need is to type in the correct date and the correct year session you want to view, and you will view that. So no information is hidden from you. It's always available for you on the portal. You don't need to be looking for them. You can always run a printout from there and be able to know how your school is progressing in terms of performance. Okay, for those using our CBT on a local level, we can export CBT tables to always synchronize that with your local CBT. I mean, locally, that's the LAN local area network we've created for you to run CBT on a local server. Okay, so you can still run our CBT online, but in case the area you are staying does not give room for a high quality internet supply, we will give you a locally installed a local server type of our CBT, so that the CBT will not be interrupted by poor internet availability. News updates, this is for all users and managers. Because I'm an expert admin, I'll be able to get information sent to me. All the information sent to managers will be seen here. So when a student logs in, they will also see their student notification. When other staff logs in, they will also see their own unique notification, just like I'm seeing mine here. Okay, and of course when parents log in, they will also see information made for parents. Now, access pin generator, you will have to generate access pin every time. It's a simple thing to do. It's just like the way you buy a recharge card to subscribe for your phones, for your phone calls and for your internet and all of that. So the same way, the access pin will be generated, and students and parents will have to get access pin to check for their results online. Of course, this is a nice feature for schools that want to really not stop students from writing exams, because you don't have to just say students don't write exams. No, students should write exams. Okay, but you have to just wait for them where they would need to download this result from online, and that is the place you would request them to pay. Okay, because only those that have paid their fees are the ones that will get the access pin to access the internet. All right, so, and of course with reload session and privacy policy. All right, so that is the much we have here for now, but nonetheless we have other features like in our post that we normally put. The account management is also there, hosting management is also there, HRM is also there. But these features you see here is for the least price ever. There's no company, there's no vendor into portal business that has a cheaper rate than we do. Now, what you have here is what we can comfortably give you without charging you too much. If you want to know the charge for this, you let us know. Okay, going into account management is also here. It's hidden, the features are at the back end, but when you say you need it, we implement it for you quickly within 1 day or 2 days. Okay, that will be done. It's already a feature that has been integrated within the tables of the database. It's just that it's not on the UI for us to view. So if you need it, we'll get it done for you. Any feature you need can always be implemented for you. We are software developers and nothing is too hard to be coded. All right, so that is it. Your information will always be down here for people to reach you when they're using the portal. Okay, and of course our information can also be there if you want that to be so that we can also be part of your support team for the users of your portal. You can actually change your theme to what you love by just clicking on this button over here and choosing any theme that appeals to you. You can see that. If you're the type that loves coloration, you can go for it. It's over there. Most people love this color because of this theme, because of so much color on it. Some people love color. They love color. The students love color. Kids love color. Students, So whichever one appeals to you, you can get it over here. All right. And once you do that, it's kicked into the system. The next time you log in, it will always be this theme watching you until you want to change it again. You come over here and make the changes. Thank you so much. We hope to hear from you anytime soon. God bless.